Are you ready to turn your need for speed into a money-making venture? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of go-kart racing to explore if it's just adrenaline-fueled fun or a profitable business opportunity. Buckle up as we navigate the twists and turns of the go-kart racing industry. The financial raceway. How much can you earn from go-kart racing? Go-kart racing isn't just a thrilling sport, it's also a potential income source. But what does it really take to make money from zooming around the track? Competitors in various leagues can see earnings from $2,500 to $10,000 per championship, depending on their skill and the competition level. Yet it's crucial to consider the substantial costs. From high-end karts to travel and entry fees, these can quickly eat into profits. Think you have what it takes to manage these costs and still come out ahead? Let's delve deeper. Start Your Engines is starting a go-kart business a smart lap. Entering the business side of go-kart racing can be an exhilarating way to drive profits. A go-kart track or rental service can potentially generate between $500,000 and $700,000 in revenue. Success requires not just a passion for racing, but a sharp business acumen. Strategic marketing, understanding your audience, and offering a mix of kart types could be your ticket to the victory lane. Would you consider starting your own go-kart business? What strategy would you use to attract racers and spectators? Sponsorships and endorsements. Turbocharging your racing career. In the world of go-kart racing, financial success often hinges on sponsorships and endorsements. Building a personal brand and performing well on the track can attract lucrative deals that help cover expensive racing costs. Networking and a robust social media presence can also steer sponsors your way. Have you ever thought about how racers secure sponsors? What kind of brand would you build around your racing career? As we cross the finish line in our exploration of the profitability of go-kart racing, it's clear that while the potential for earnings exists, it demands both speed and strategy, on and off the track. Whether you're racing for gold or managing the business behind the scenes, it's a high-octane challenge that could lead to lucrative rewards. What are your thoughts on go-kart racing as a business venture? Could you handle the financial ups and downs? Comment below with your views, share this video with fellow racing enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this.